مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. مثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجلا أو سيدة أعمال مميزون، ومن زاوية سيدات الأعمال الأكثر تميزا رحبوا معي بالسبيشال بزنس وومن مدام راكي الأونر لفيشام برينتينج بريس. بداية good afternoon مدام.
Good afternoon.
Madam Raki, in the first, I want to meet you and let the viewers as well know about your professional life. When you came here to UAE, how you started and set up your business.
So when did I come to UAE? It's a good question. I've only been born in India, completely raised in Dubai. Don't ask me my age, but it's been very long time. My parents were here from a very long time. So it's been a very long time. So the company is about 18 years old.
Wow.
We set business in 2003, and it's with me and my business partner and my husband Dheeraj Rupani. So
yes. So let us to know and explain for the viewers about your services from A to Z, what you are doing as a printing press company.
So the company offers everything in terms of the corporate collateral, like the stationery that you would need, like business card, letterheads, folders, and these days especially we're doing a lot of packaging. So if you think about the boxes that you see here,
yes, of course,
or wrapping sheets, because you need to pack your items to be delivered from one point to another, and it really makes a good impact when you put it in a good packaging.
Yes.
So we do that as well, which is a lot these days.
Yes. So, Madam Raki, there is important question about the specialty here in Dubai. You know that if we had looked to Dubai, there is a lot of companies, they have the same services. So, how we make ourselves and our company as a Visham printing press different and special than others? How it's success?
So what makes us stand out, or what is our USP, is the customer service that we provide. And the different quality of the products. The
Wow.
quality is amazing, which makes our clients keep coming back to us.
Excellent.
And another very important point is that because we've been in existence for 18 years now, there are a lot of people who have been still working with us from day one. So the people also, it's not just the people who come and print with us, but it's also the people who work with us. They feel very happy, they
As a
feel
family.
very comfortable,
Yes.
as a family, and they enjoy working out here with us as well.
Yes, very good. We hope for you to grow more and more and to be in a high level, Madam Raki, because you deserve to be success in your life. Now, as a businesswoman, what do you think? How you may, where you will find yourself after 2 years from now? What's your plan in the future?
Well, the plan is to expand. We have taken another warehouse as well.
Bravo.
So expansion in terms of the space, expansion in terms of the machines, expansion in terms of the services that we provide.
Of course.
Like I mentioned to you before, we take our clients' feedback very seriously. So any feedback that they give us, it's very important, and it helps us to increase our business, increase the quality of the products, and also add services to our vertical.
And I'm sure that one day we will see you for all of the GCC country, not only here in UAE, because you started with not like that, of course. You started with a big company. No, you started little by little. When you reach to this level, inshallah, always you will be in a top and in a high level. Now, we'll explain the viewers where we are now in Dubai. Where's your location as a company?
So yeah, we are based in Al Quoz. There are other printing presses which they are far off in different parts of the world, parts of the city as well. But we pride ourselves to be centrally located, because we have a lot of our clients who come and visit us, because as you see, it's a product. People want to come and they want to touch and they want to feel the product.
Yes.
Before they confirm anything, and and then give us a go ahead. I mean, we did have options to see somewhere else, but we really wanted to be in the center, and people
Yes.
enjoy coming and visiting us.
Yes, and you're in heart here,
Yeah.
heart of Dubai.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, my dear viewers, the contact number down of our screen with the website for Visham printing press. Now, Madam Raki, you know that we are living here in UAE country, the best country in the world, have the safety and security. For sure, this one. We are agree about this. So, we have to thank the leadership from Visham Printing Press and from you as a businesswoman, our leadership and the president of UAE. تفضل.
So my words would be that a big thank you I mean, you've made Dubai a home for us to stay. I mean, it has the maximum amount of expats living out here, and we really enjoy staying out here. And because the Sheikh has a vision for 2040 as well,
Yes.
we want to help him to achieve that vision, and also for ourselves as a goal to take our business to the next level.
Bravo.
So I'm very happy to be here, working and living here in Dubai, and it's really an honor to be here.
Yes, of course. And from our channel, ABC Arabia, we will thank the leadership and the president about what they given us, about the opportunity that they given to us, and for the local also culture. Now, before we end, also, do you want to thank anyone from your family, your husband, the camera front of you, the mic from your side? If you want to thank, you have to thank front of the camera.
So I actually want to thank my parents, because I mean, if they weren't there, I mean, I wouldn't be here.
Of course.
That's one, very, very important. And they helped me become independent, helped me to, achieve my dreams and my vision that I wanted to,
Bravo.
be in my life. And also a big thank you to my husband, because if he didn't really start the business, I mean, we did have the creative mindset in common. If he didn't start the business and I wouldn't have supported it from the very beginning, we wouldn't have been here and, achieving our passion. So a big thank you to all of them.
Of course, and from our screen, a big thank for your family and your husband, your parents as well. Our regards to them. I will thank you so much, Madam, to accept us here in your special company. Inshallah, always will see you in the top, in the top, in the top. You deserve that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا Friday and Saturday in ABC Arabia TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.